Not too much volume. So welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell from the title, this is a get ready with me type of video. So I was doing a little bit of skincare. I showed you guys how I installed this wig and styled it, and then I just showed you this very simple makeup look. It's not a tutorial, it is definitely a get ready with me because of the fact that I had no clue what I was doing. Like I had a vision of what I wanted for the hair, and I achieved it. It's giving very much 90s, you know, like that's the goal. That's what I wanted. I wanted 90s Bobbiana, and I feel like I did that. Is it great? No, but it's cute. It'll do. She's laid. She got baby hairs. Also, I want to let you guys know this hair is from Beauty Forever Hair. So this unit is actually a T-part wig. So basically what that means is that the only parting space is literally down the middle. It does have a fake scalp, so as you can see, the part is super crisp and clean. I did pluck the unit a little bit more, but I didn't really need to pluck it that much. And there's not a lot of parting space because it is a T-part, so it's really meant to be worn as just a straight part. Now you can tilt it to the side and make it a side part if you want. It's not going to be a curved side part. It's literally just going to be a straight part. So that's the purpose of a T-part wig, to make it super easy for you. I would highly recommend plucking the part just a little bit more, just so that way it gives more of a natural look. And then I did just pluck the front a little bit more as well, so it wasn't as dense. But it's literally just kind of like tracks all around, and then there is cloth underneath to give the fake scalp appearance, so you don't actually need to wear a wig cap with this. In the video you will see that I did put one on, but that's just because I needed something to kind of hold my hair down a little bit more and trying to make it flatter. That's really why I put the wig cap on. A little bit more information about this hair. So this color is in the shade 99J. So it is a very beautiful burgundy color. The unit, I believe it is 180 density. I can't remember. All the information about the hair will be down below in the description box, but I do believe it's 180 density. It's very, very beautiful. The hair is extremely soft. This is me styling it straight out the box. I didn't wash it or anything. It's very beautiful hair. It's very soft. It doesn't have a smell or anything like that. Like I love how soft the hair is. We like her. So yeah, if you want to see how I achieved this look, then keep on watching. But before we get into it, you know what I need you to do? I need you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that way you too can become a beauty babe. And then I need you to hit that bell notification so that way you will be notified every single time I upload on a Sunday or a Wednesday. And then I need you to share this video so that way all the chocolate girls around the world can learn how to slay. And now without further ado, let's go ahead and get into our video. So we're starting off with a bit of skincare. So this is the La Mask Cocoa from a brand called Carbon Plus. Now what I love about this mask is that it was specifically made for the chocolate girls, okay? This is a mask designed to help us combat acne. Now it's very hard to find skincare that is formulated well. I won't say it's very hard. There are a lot more brands now catering to us, and I love to see it. And Carbon Plus is one of those brands. Now this is a charcoal mask, and basically what you're going to do is you're going to use it about 1 to 2 times a week to kind of help with acne and breakouts. Y'all know that's something that I struggle with, so I've been using this mask and I really do love it. I apply a thick layer to the skin, leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes. Y'all know it's probably more like 20, but you know, it's okay. Now what I love about this mask is when I rinse it off, it doesn't leave my skin dry, and I think that's the coconut in it and the fact that it does go back into clay. So my skin is extremely hydrated after I'm done using this mask, and that's a big reason why I love it as well. So be sure to check it out. All the information is in the description box, and if you decide to purchase this mask, be sure to use my code Roynerah to get free shipping. So I just wanted to show you guys the unit up close. So as you can see, it's been plucked a little bit and it just has really nice body and volume to it naturally. The hair just kind of flows. It's very gorgeous. I really love this unit. I'm starting off by applying some witch hazel. Y'all know I did my whole skincare routine, so I just want to get the product off the area that I'm going to apply my Got2b glue, so that way it sticks a little better. And I just went on ahead and applied a thin layer of Got2b glue. I used the one in the black bottle. That's my favorite one. That's the only one that I use. I don't use the yellow one at all. And I went on ahead and cut off the sides of the lace, so that way those don't stick down. So like the part where the lace is stitched on the side, I cut that off and I just left the rest of the extra lace to make it easier for me to apply my unit. And then I just pulled the unit forward and pushed it down into the glue, tapping in with my fingertips. And then I spray a little bit of the Got2b glue hairspray, being sure to brush back my hair and pushing the lace into the gel, so that way the hairspray and the gel kind of stick together and it really melts into the skin. Then I'm going to take, y'all know, my handy dandy elastic band and tie that around. I know that there's some elastic bands that are different than like, I legit am just using a regular old elastic band that you use when you're like sewing and stuff like that. But they actually have specific elastic bands for like this purpose now, and I think that's really cool. So I'm gonna have to try to get one of those. As you guys can tell, I have flat ironed my hair and then I've started cutting it. Now, I literally just went for it. Like, the goal of my look was to have a feathered bob. The bob is a little longer. I am going to go back and cut it shorter just because I feel like it's too long for the look that I was going for. But for the time being, it's fine. I literally just went for it. Like, I have not cut hair in a long time, so it's really not the best job, but that's okay. We can perfect it later. I'm getting ready to do my makeup. A lot of the footage of me doing makeup did not record and I didn't realize it, so I'm super sorry about that. But I'm showing you guys how I do my colored brows. So basically, I'm going to take an eyeliner that is the same color of the hair. I'm using the Marc Jacobs eyeliner. I can't remember what the shade is called, but it will be down below in the description box. And I'm just filling in my brows like I would with any other brow pencil. And then I'm going over with a powder. So I'm using an eyeshadow out of the Anastasia Renaissance palette. I can't remember exactly what it's called. I think it's like Red Oak or Red Tree or something like that, but it will be down below in the description box. And I'm just going over top to set that eyeliner.
And then of course I carve out my brows like typical. Now the only thing is I don't use brow gel because it's going to lift the product. So that's the only thing that I do different. And then I went on ahead and applied my bronzer. This makeup look is nothing special at all. So I just went on ahead and bronzed with my, I believe my bronzer is Cocoa Naughty. I can't remember. And then I applied my Fenty highlighter in Hustler Baby because y'all know it's my favorite. And that was kind of it. I just popped on some lip liner with a nude lip and my Fenty Glow lip gloss and Fussy lip gloss on top. And that was it for the makeup look. It was super simple.
Okay, so this is the finished look, you guys. I just kind of threw on a jacket. I have on a little bralette underneath. I'm gonna throw on some leggings. I'm not really going anywhere. I'm babysitting my nieces right now, so I'm about to make them some lunch because they are hungry and I'm also hungry. And I've been filming for a long time, so you know, it's time for me to, you know, get some food in this tummy. But this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really love it. You know, one thing about me, if I do colored hair, I need the brows to match. I love a good colored brow. It's one of my favorite things to do when it comes to makeup, but I don't always have colored hair, so I don't always have a reason to do colored brows. Yes, I could be bold and just do a colored brow with my natural hair color or whatever color the unit is that I'm wearing, but I'm not that bold. So I'm living for this moment right now. I'm so happy. But yes, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, stay beautiful. Mwah. Bye.